you can leave, just leave a few behind. Then next year, those that stayed will go, and then those that left will stay. So then they've got a system.
With the black they act in the same way when they've got
Yeah.
they like hunt them or
No, they flee. Well, always just one. That's big. The one that's all the way back there. That's bad.
62
You've seen one of those before, yes?
I haven't seen one yet.
Do you know why they call it a secretary bed?
It's got a nice pair of pants on.
It looks like it's walking on high heels. And if you look a little closer, if you got binoculars, it looks like it's got its hair tied up with a pen in it, almost like a secretary would. And then they hunt snakes also. And yeah, when they kill the snake, they stomp on it. So it looks like it's using a typewriter. Secretary bed.